Yeah, I'm Ryan Doyle. I'm a world champion free runner, and I travel the world living my dream. It's a common thing for male sports athletes. Having high testosterone can cause the hair follicles to shrink. Oh yeah, it's totally enhanced my career and my overall mental wellness. Letting go of all that frustration I had has allowed me to move forward with a lot more confidence. If I could leave one mark on the world, is that, you don't have to hold yourself back. Don't be self-conscious about anything. I get asked, is it real? The answer is yeah, it's real hair. You can do anything. I go swimming, sauna, jacuzzi, and the only major difference is, like, I'm one of those guys that can go into the barbers and come out with his hair longer. What I do now to manage my hair is like 5% compared to what I did beforehand to manage my hair. It's so easy.